Hey fam, this is Miss Shorty Rock. Alright, so COVID got me a little bit behind my schedule here, but I'm actually gonna take my bike in to get it serviced. It needs a total overhaul. I need a tire, oil change. My guy's gonna check out everything that I got going on with the cables and all that, and make sure the bike is fit. So it's something that I usually start off in the beginning of the season doing. I do two things: take care of myself, make sure my health is good, and then I also make sure the health of my bike is right too before I get on that thing. So as you see here, we got this Metzeler, getting that 21 on here, a replacement. I love that tire. So it's a 21, 120/70B21. So you see it's got that white wall on there, so that thing blue. So it's gonna replace all this ugly meats on here, cause that one a little ate up. It's about time to replace that joker. So we're gonna do all of that. So I got a real good mechanic. He works at Karma Cycles. And the dude's like a brother to me. I'm telling you, I let him touch all my bikes, and I trust everything that he has to say about the mechanics and the functionality of all the items that I want, you know, because there's oftentimes when there's things that I want on my bike, and he'll be like, nah, Shorty Rock, you don't want to do that. And he'll tell me why and give me all the pros and the cons. Real good dude. So good example of that is like I wanted fishtails on my last bike. You see I got them on this one. Right? What he told me was them pipes get real hot, Shorty Rock. You don't want them on that Softail Deluxe. So I was like, all right. But it does work out pretty good on this one. So get yourself a good mechanic that's certified in the bike that you have. If they're a good certified mechanic, you can't go wrong. At least I should say that the odds will be in your favor if you find yourself a good person. So this dude is in Cambridge, Maryland, and I drive for quality. So point number 2. A lot of viewpoints on having trailering your bike here and there, whatever. It's 40-something degrees, it's dark, it's raining. That mug about to get in a trailer, all right? I ain't riding that thing nowhere. First of all, bad tire. It don't even make sense. You can't ride no bike with that kind of tire on it. You don't want to. I've seen people do it, but Shorty Rock ain't doing that. So you do what you want to do. That baby about to get into this trailer and scoot on down the road. So we'll see you on part 2. I'll show you the mechanics of it, what's changed. Hopefully I get a chance to meet my mechanic if he's not too busy, and I'll introduce y'all to him. All right? So hopefully we'll see you again. Stay tuned. There we go. All right, y'all. So you see my husband, he got my sweet thing about to roll on out. Thank you, G-Right. And that horse go. Sweet thing in there. All right, y'all. Well, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get on out this rain, let it finish strapping her down, and we'll holler at y'all later on. All right, welcome to the journey. Hey, y'all. My sweet thing is back. We got that maintenance done. It's another cold, cloudy day, and I had to work. I ain't have time to go get my boo thing, so we couldn't talk to the mechanic this time. But we'll get that done another day. In the meantime, I'll show you the reveal. That's my lady pulling it. There ain't nothing to it, just a little maintenance stuff. Same bike, different tire, you know, nothing major. Anywho, all right, y'all, be easy. We'll check it out in a minute. Later. All right, y'all, here he comes. That's my sweet thing.
New shoes.
Baby got new shoes. Got some new meats on it.
Present.
Why are you riding cheap? Why are you riding in the shop?
I had to get it from the shop. Yep.
Uh-huh. Cause you might gotta work sometime. I can't go play all the time.
Yeah,
I bet. There it is. All right, y'all. Ain't like I said, ain't nothing to it. Just a little bit of a tire. I showed you the difference before. You see, Sweet Thing got some meats on it now. Look forward to wearing all that off. It's gonna be a minute though, with COVID. But I'm gonna make it do what it do, the best way I know how. And that's that. All right, until y'all see me on the road, that's it. Later.